So, gusto mo bang manalo sa buhay or i-win yung life mo? Hindi pwedeng yung half-hearted lang. Kaya sabi ni Epictetus, kailangan natin ng hard winter training. So, September 3 ng The Daily Stoics, ang title ng tong day na to is First, Hard Winter Training. So, noong ancient times, sinaunang panahon, yung mga armies, usually, dinidisband siya during winter. Pero sabi ni Epictetus, walang part-time pag nagsusundalo. Kung gusto mong magtagumpay, you have to dedicate yourself fully. Lahat ng oras, lahat ng energy, pati preparation. So, tingnan mo si LeBron James. Pag summer break, hindi siya nagpapahinga lang. Or kung walang laban, hindi siya nagpapahinga lang. He keeps on training, improving himself sa basketball. And mostly, he's working on his weaknesses. Pag sa military naman, kahit walang gera, araw-araw pa rin sila nagsasanay. Kasi para pagdating ng totoong laban, automatic na yung disiplina, lakas, diba? Laban talaga. So, ganun din sa buhay natin. Hindi tayong pwedeng parang weekend warrior lang sa goals natin. Motivated lang kapag feel natin. Life doesn't wait. Problem comes anytime. Kaya habang tahimik pa, wala pang crisis, mag-train ka, i-build mo yung sarili mo, mag-grow ka. Build discipline, practice consistency, prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. So remember, don't wait for the battle to start before you train. Kasi pag dumating na yung tunay na laban, wala nang oras to prepare. Laban agad. Success isn't about luck. It's about training hard, even when no one is watching. That's all.